from basketball, and my monitor is here. I bought a Samsung curved monitor, 24 inches. This is my first time getting a monitor. I just hope it'll help me be more productive, I guess. And yeah, we'll see, because I don't know how to set it up, but I'm gonna ask my dad to help me. There's a lot of stuff. Oh, actually, there's a lot of cables. I'll probably just read the instruction manual. I'll show you guys once I set it up. The type of PC I got was the Intel NUC Mini PC kit. It came in the model NUC 5i3RYH. I'm not sure what that means because I'm not a computer expert, and this is the first time I'm using Windows in 6 years. So I'm very out of date with these kinds of things. My friends keep judging me on not knowing how to use Windows properly. They even called me a boomer. So please don't judge me if I look clueless in this video, because I am pretty clueless on what I'm doing. I've always wanted to get a mechanical keyboard, and after listening to several switches, I decided on the Keychron K2 brown switch keyboard. It looked very sleek and nice, but I wished that the keycaps were round. But it's okay, the sound was really nice, and I'll plug in a video of the sound later. I think Keychron had two options, the aluminum frame with RGB backlight or the plastic frame with the white backlight. I got the plastic frame with the white backlight for the Keychron K2 keyboard. After arranging everything, I came up with this final setup of my desk, which I am quite proud of, and at the moment, I'm very happy with this setup. As you can see, my desk isn't the biggest, so everything looks very put together and clumped, but it doesn't really bother me. The only thing that bothers me is the cable from the webcam. It's quite disturbing to look at, especially when I'm working. Let's take a closer look at everything. Here's a cable box where I keep all the cables between the monitor and the plug. And then I have my headphones. This is the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones, which I had for quite a while. And then I have my tripod. This was given to me by someone as a gift. Last but not least, on top of this cable box, I have this chicken egg lamp thing, which lights up at night. I'm sure you've seen this before because it was on trend for a bit, and this is what it looks like when it lights up. It's so cute and it looks good at night. Moving on, we got the actual Samsung monitor here and then a webcam on top, which I just got from Shopee. And to complete the look, I put an LED light on top of the monitor. It has 3 different settings. It has blue light, white light, and warm light. My table wouldn't be complete without these 2 little guys on the bottom and my study timer. To the left of that, I got my EKG speaker, which is connected to the PC, so that I could just hear stuff straight away from it if I watch YouTube videos or watch K-dramas or even lectures. And then I have this charger for my phone. I got this for free when I got my phone. Honestly, it's not the best charger because it needs to be connected to the cable all the time, and you can't really use it when it's charging. This is the PC that I got, which I did an unboxing of in the beginning of the video. I'm quite bothered by this cable over here at the back. Here I got my MacBook Air on this wooden stand that I got off from Shopee. Then to the right, I have my iPad Air 4, and I can just put it in there when I'm not using it, which is quite convenient. The stand is from my mom's room. I just got it because she's not using it anymore. Let's take a look at the keyboard I got. As I mentioned before, I got the Keychron K2 keyboard. I've changed 2 of the caps, and I've changed some of the caps so that it would fit the Windows keyboard instead of the Mac keyboard, because I don't really use this with my iPad or my Mac. While this keyboard is nice to use for my PC, it's not the most portable keyboard because it's heavy. So I use a different keyboard for my iPad. It's much lighter than this. To the right, I got my mouse. It's just some random mouse I got from Shopee. It lights up, it holds well, it's pretty alright. And then below that, I got my to-do list because I feel like if I put a mouse pad, it would be too big. And also this is functional because I can just cross things off as I finish them. Of course, I have a cup of water. Well, it's empty right now, but I always have water around me usually. Once again, that's the entire setup. Everything I mentioned would probably be linked down below except for the speaker and the charger because I got those for free. If you ever have any questions about this setup, please feel free to leave questions down below in the comments section. This is how I use this desk setup to study. I'm mostly doing my homework right now, and you guys can watch for the rest of this video.